In today's video, we're diving into a unique and exciting side hustle that not only helps you earn some extra cash but also gets you outdoors and active: finding, cleaning, and selling lost golf balls. If you've ever wandered around a golf course or near a water hazard, you might have noticed the abundance of forgotten golf balls just waiting to be discovered. This venture is not only profitable but also surprisingly fun. We'll start by exploring the best places to find these lost treasures, from local courses to public parks. Next, we'll discuss the essential tools and techniques for cleaning and restoring these golf balls to their former glory, ensuring they look as good as new. Finally, we'll cover the various platforms where you can sell your cleaned golf balls, maximizing your profits while connecting with fellow golf enthusiasts. So, whether you're a golf lover looking to turn a hobby into a money-making opportunity or simply someone seeking a new and enjoyable side hustle, stick around. You might just find that this quirky venture is the perfect fit for you. Let's get started. Understanding the market. When it comes to lost golf balls, the demand is surprisingly robust. Many golfers are on the lookout for affordable options, especially beginners or those who play frequently and tend to lose balls often. These players appreciate the value of purchasing lost golf balls, as they can save a significant amount compared to buying brand new ones. Additionally, golf courses and driving ranges often buy these balls in bulk to resell, creating a steady customer base. The price range for selling cleaned golf balls can vary widely, typically falling between 50 cents to $3 per ball, depending on the brand and condition. Premium brands like Titleist or Callaway can fetch higher prices, especially if they are in excellent shape. However, competition exists in this niche market, with many individuals and businesses already capitalizing on the demand for lost golf balls. To stand out, focus on quality, ensure your balls are thoroughly cleaned and graded. Building a strong online presence through social media and local advertising can also help attract customers. Offering bulk discounts or unique packaging can further differentiate your business, making it more appealing to potential buyers. Finding lost golf balls. Locating lost golf balls can be an enjoyable and rewarding experience if you know where to look. Golf courses are the obvious starting point, particularly around the fairways, roughs, and near water hazards where balls often end up. Areas like sand traps and wooded edges are also prime spots, as many golfers tend to lose balls in these challenging terrains. Timing your search can significantly impact your success. Early mornings or late afternoons, especially after a busy day on the course, are ideal times to hunt for lost balls. Many golfers have already played, leaving behind a treasure trove of balls for you to find. Additionally, searching after a rain can help, as the wet ground makes the balls more visible. Equipping yourself with the right tools can enhance your search efforts. A good pair of gloves will protect your hands while rummaging through rough areas, and a sturdy bag or bucket can help you collect your finds. A golf ball retriever, which extends into water hazards, can also be a game changer, allowing you to retrieve balls that would otherwise be out of reach. With these tips and tools, you'll be well on your way to uncovering lost golf balls like a pro. Cleaning and restoring golf balls. Once you've gathered your lost golf balls, the next step is cleaning and restoring them to maximize their resale value. Start by rinsing the balls in warm water to remove any loose dirt and debris. For a deeper clean, use a mixture of mild soap and water, scrubbing gently with a soft brush or cloth. This method effectively removes grime without damaging the surface. If you want to take it a step further, consider using specialized golf ball cleaners available in stores, which can help restore shine and remove stubborn stains. Restoring the appearance of the golf balls is crucial for attracting buyers. A clean, shiny ball not only looks appealing but also signals quality to potential customers. Pay attention to any scuffs or discoloration. While minor imperfections can be acceptable, significant damage can lower the ball's value. Before selling, inspect each ball carefully for quality. Look for brand markings, as well as any cuts or deep scratches that could affect performance. Sorting the balls into categories based on their condition can help you price them appropriately. By ensuring your golf balls are clean and in good shape, you'll enhance their appeal and increase your chances of making a sale. Once your golf balls are cleaned and ready for resale, it's time to implement effective selling strategies. One of the best platforms for selling is eBay, where you can reach a wide audience of golf enthusiasts. Additionally, Consider local shops, especially pro shops or sporting goods stores, which may be interested in stocking your products. Online marketplaces like Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist can also be effective for local sales, allowing you to connect directly with buyers in your area. Pricing your golf balls competitively is crucial. Research similar listings to determine a fair price range based on brand, condition, and market demand. Don't forget to factor in shipping costs if you're selling online. Marketing your product is equally important. High-quality photos and detailed descriptions can make a significant difference in attracting buyers. Building a customer base is essential for long-term success. Encourage repeat purchases by offering discounts for bulk buys or creating loyalty programs. Engaging with customers through social media can also help foster relationships and keep them informed about new stock. By implementing these strategies, you'll not only sell your cleaned golf balls effectively but also create a loyal customer base that keeps coming back for more. Analyzing the potential profitability of finding, cleaning, and selling lost golf balls reveals a promising side hustle. First, let's break down the costs involved. The initial investment is relatively low, primarily consisting of basic cleaning supplies like soap, brushes, and buckets, which can total around $20 to $50. If you choose to invest in a golf ball retriever for water hazards, that could add another $20 to $30. Once you've gathered and cleaned the balls, potential earnings can be significant. On average, cleaned golf balls can sell for $1 to $3 each, depending on their brand and condition. If you find and sell 100 balls in a month, you could earn anywhere from $100 to $300, making this a lucrative side hustle. However, several factors can influence profitability. Location plays a crucial role. Areas with a high density of golf courses or active golfers will yield more finds. Additionally, demand can fluctuate based on the season, with peak golfing months typically seeing higher sales. By understanding these dynamics and strategically targeting your efforts, you can maximize your earnings and make this side hustle both enjoyable and profitable. Challenges and considerations. While finding, cleaning, and selling lost golf balls can be a rewarding side hustle, it does come with its share of challenges. One common obstacle is competition. Many individuals and businesses are already engaged in this market, making it essential to differentiate yourself. Sourcing lost golf balls can also be tricky, as not every golf course or area will yield a significant number of finds. Another consideration is the time commitment required. Searching for lost golf balls can be time-consuming, especially if you're targeting specific locations. Additionally, the cleaning process can take longer than expected, particularly if you have a large batch of balls to restore. To overcome these challenges, focus on building a strong network with local golfers and course managers who can point you to the best spots for finding lost balls. Establishing a routine for your searches can also help maximize efficiency. Consider setting aside specific days or times dedicated to this side hustle, allowing you to balance it with other commitments. Finally, invest time in marketing your cleaned golf balls effectively, ensuring you stand out in a competitive market. With the right strategies, you can navigate these challenges and thrive in this unique venture. In summary, finding, cleaning, and selling lost golf balls presents a viable and enjoyable side hustle with the potential for significant earnings. We explored effective methods for locating these hidden treasures, from searching golf courses to utilizing water hazards. The cleaning process is straightforward, requiring minimal investment in supplies, and can greatly enhance the resale value of the balls. We also discussed various selling platforms and strategies to build a customer base, emphasizing the importance of competitive pricing and marketing. If you're looking for a fun way to earn extra income while enjoying the outdoors, this side hustle could be the perfect fit for you.